And we're back. That's it. That's all I got, Shan. First time we put up the camper in a while. Gonna just go over some checks on it, make sure it's good to go. Because next week we're going on a 2-week trip. So let's get this bad boy up. See what we need to do.
Are we going camping this day?
No.
How much sleep?
What's today? Saturday?
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 5 more sleeps.
Today's the day before we leave for our next trip, and the power just went out in the house while we're trying to pack and get everything done. I'm trying to work on my computer, which is totally off. Packing for 6 kids is not easy, especially when you're doing it for 2 weeks. So now I'm gonna go upstairs and check on everybody else and see how everything else is doing. There's a light. Probably shouldn't make it pink. There we go.
Thank God for those anyway.
Here you go. Here you go.
You have to jump out from the front.
I'm Joy, so.
There you go.
Have fun.
Thank you.
So anyways, as we don't have power right now, figured come out and check on the camper, see how everything's going. So I'll give you a quick tour of the things that we did in the camper recently. We got an air conditioner unit. We got some new mattresses for both the beds. So anyways, my sister's in town right now. She's going camping with us for the first night when we go to Delaware. Obviously you can hear the thunderstorm. That's what knocked out the power in our house. So I'm out in the camper just checking on it, making sure there's no leaks or anything like that, and it is 100% good. Other than that, we're just gonna wait this one out, try and pack in the dark, and hopefully be ready for tomorrow. Here we go. You ready to go? Ready to go camping?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I'm excited to go camping again.
Ari, are you sleeping? No? Ari, 100% not tired. Okay. So we're not camping tonight because there's a tropical storm and we got a late start, and so instead we're just getting a hotel for the night with Emmy. Because we don't feel like popping up the pop-up at 1:40 in the morning during a tropical storm hurricane. So yeah, we're sitting in the parking lot of the hotel that we just booked rooms for, and eventually we'll gather up all the children and go inside. Okay. Hey Mooney Mooney.
Look who it is.
So, I can take them in. We have 2 rooms.
Beep, you driving the car. Say hi. There you go. First day at Jellystone. It's pretty fun. We drove through that tropical storm last night. We're just hanging out. And we went to the water park today. Mooney, did you get wet? And tomorrow we're gonna get up and we're gonna go swimming at the beach, right? Yes.
Spend some quality time with my hunk.
With me?
With you.
You doing makeup? Like mommy? So while we wait for all the kids to wake up, me and Shannon's favorite thing to do is always try and surprise them with something. So hopefully we're gonna surprise them with a trip to Busch Gardens when we go to Virginia Beach. Because right now apparently tickets are 40% off. Spent all day yesterday at the beach with the family, and now we're gonna pack this up in a little bit.
Mom!
And head to Virginia Beach. Come here. You gonna do mine? Got it?
You're gonna poke out his eyeball.
Hopefully I'm better looking now.
Dada.
Oh. Other side?
Hey, look at your pup.
We just got to Virginia Beach, KOA. We go set up the camper. Probably let the kids know about the surprise. Not Busch Gardens, it's actually Water Country, USA. Because it's gonna be really hot outside, so we figured might as well go to the water park instead of the other stuff.
Aren't we right here and all we have to do is, it's not even that far. What? All we have to do is go
Your argument was in place.
and then you're there. So let's go.
So we're coming across the road, and this road is insanely bumpy, and then out of nowhere, our tire exploded. But anyways, I'm gonna try and get this tire changed really fast so we can get back on the road. Oh gosh, yeah, look at that.
Oh, baby.
Since they said it would be 3 hours to come and do this, I'll do it myself.
We could use it. We could 100% use it. We'd be fine. We'd be fine.
Last night we pulled into the campground about 9:30. Battery was dead, and the fuse box inside needed switched, and I couldn't get the camper up to flip the switches, which are in the back corner. So we were totally at a loss, and it was about 9:30 at night, and after changing the tire, I had called it quits. I said, we're hoteling it tonight. And we did, and it was great. And we got a nice shower, and we woke up, and we said, let's skip this. We just finished doing that, and I'm not kidding you. It started to downpour.
I was hiding under a tree.
I saw. We were just laughing about how it's always one thing and then another, because then as we were closing the hood for the van, it wouldn't close and latch all the way because something was stuck in it. So fixed that as soon as we finished. Downpour. But hooking the camper up, heading to Spartansburg, Gaffney. Spartansburg/Gaffney, KOA. Should be good.
Hey, Matt.
What?
You okay? Matt, why are you back out on the side of the road?
Because the other tire exploded. Two new tires. I just want it to rain again.
Oh, no.
Hey, look at that big old peach!
Giant peach! Hi.
Made it to Spartanburg, right outside of Gaffney. The big giant peach. It's time to relax. Go swimming, Ari?
Yes.
Go golfing?
Yes.
It's hot here though. I mean, hot. Just gonna relax now. Hopefully, vacation after all that. Changed 3 tires, 2 popped, changed the spare out, new tires, blew the fuse, jumped the battery, now we chill. For a bit. God, today's Thursday. Go home on Sunday. So we're gonna coast. I have a friend's wedding on Saturday. The rest of that, enjoy. Ready, Ari? Ready. Let's go.
Ooh.